Normal AI models are incredibly smart, but they have a fundamental limitation. They can only talk. They generate text inside a chat window, completely isolated from real world tools. LangChain turns AI into real agents. It moves beyond simple chat, giving the AI the power to connect to tools, remember past interactions, and reason step by step. Here's exactly how it works. First, LangChain connects the core LLM to external tools. Instead of just guessing, it can now actively pull live data using web search, compute exact math with a calculator, send messages via email, or query your private database. Second, it adds memory. Normal AI treats every prompt as a blank slate. But LangChain adds a persistent storage layer, so the agent remembers past interactions. Third, it uses chains and agents to let the AI reason step by step. Instead of a single blind guess, a chain breaks complex problems into smaller, manageable logical steps. Each step builds on the previous one, leading to a reliable final decision. When solving complex tasks, LangChain agents enter a continuous reasoning loop. The AI thinks, what is the goal? Do I need a tool? If yes, it decides to use tool like executing a web search and observes the data. Once it has enough information, it breaks the loop to give final answer. Structured thinking process, the AI stops hallucinating. By relying on actual tools and step-by-step memory, it starts working like a truly helpful assistant. It's the most popular framework to build AI agents in 2026. It is rapidly becoming the ultimate industry standard for autonomous AI systems.